I'm recording the session. So recording the session. If there are any issues, I mean, sir, illa sir, ungal privacy edavadhu illa sir appadina, you can just let me know. Okay, sir. So if you multiply this with sin square theta, so what will happen? Sin square theta la na vandu multiply பண்ணும்போது you will have in the sin square in the sin square இருக்கு இல்லையா? So you will have this. So you will have sin theta. ஏன் நான் sin square theta ல multiply பண்றேன் அப்படின்னா, here there is a sin square theta here. I want this to go. Okay, I want this term to go. அதனால தான் நான் sin square theta ல multiply பண்றேன். Okay. So separation of variables. We saw separation of variables. Yeah. So in that, I want to make sure that this is independent of theta. There is only phi here and not theta, so that I can separate. அதனால தான் நான் sin square theta எடுக்கிறேன். So what will happen? This will be h cross square by 2i into sin theta dou by dou theta into sin theta dou by dou theta plus, so sin square will get cancelled, plus dou square by dou phi square so I can also bring this y in. I can also bring this y in. Okay, I can also bring this y in. So I can write it like this. Okay, I can also bring this y in and I can write it like this. Plus ey sin square theta equal to 0. So நான் ஒண்ணும் பண்ணல, இங்க இருக்கிற y இங்க எடுத்து உள்ள எடுத்துட்டு வந்துறேன். So இங்க y வரும், இந்த இடத்துல y வரும். சரியா? So because I have to differentiate this y, right? Okay. Now I want to remove this term. So what I am going to do is, I am going to multiply equation 9. I am going to multiplying equation 9 with 2i by h cross square. So you just இதை எடுக்கணும்னா அதோட invert பண்ணி I have to multiply, right? So அதான் நான் பண்ண போறேன். So what will be the answer? So it will be sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta dou y by dou theta plus dou square y by dou psi square plus 2i by h cross square e sin square theta into y equal to 0. Okay. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to make this equation much simpler. The equation much simpler பண்றதுக்காக I am going to use a substitution saying that let beta be equal to 2ie by h cross square. Okay, I am going to make this substitution. Let beta be equal to this, so that இவ்வளவு பெரிய term எழுதுறது பதிலா I'll just write a simpler expression, so that I can write a simpler expression. Let இதை போட்டோம்னா this equation will become as sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta dou y by dou theta plus dou square y by dou psi square plus beta y sin square theta equal to 0. Okay. Thirumal, are you there? Thirumal, are you there? So Thirumal is not there. What's the registration number of Thirumal? 10, huh? Okay, Thirumal is not there. Balaji, are you there? Balaji, are you there? Balaji not there. Inga, you are not answering. You are not putting your mic on. Okay. The online class means you should be able to answer me. If you are not able to answer me, that means you are not there. Your mic problem and all, it's not my concern. 2 weeks, 1 month aapodhu. Now still you cannot say my mic is not working. So answer, say yes sir, open your mic and say yes sir, I'll consider you present. Otherwise I'll mark you absent. Sudarshan, are you there? Sudarshan, are you there? Sudarshan, are you there? Okay, Sudarshan. Yes, Balaji. Yes, please. Yeah, please. Yes, Balaji. Please. Yeah. Sudarshan is not there. Okay. I'm just calling randomly people. Huh?
Sir.
Yes, yaar, Balaji.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Balaji. So show me what you have written, Balaji. I cannot see Balaji. Wait a minute. I'll pin to my screen. Cool. Very good. Okay. Very good, Balaji. Super. Okay. Okay, so you can tell those guys who are not here that I'm going to mark absent. I'm going to inform them to report them to the people concerned who are in charge of online class. Okay, so your class teachers will come back to you. Okay, so where is Aravindan? Are you there? Aravindan, are you there? Yeah, you are present, Balaji. Yeah. Aravindan, are you there? Aravind not present. Okay, sure. Tirumalai, are you there? Tirumalai, are you there? Yes, Tirumalai. Very good. Can you show me your notebook, Tirumalai? Notebook on the kaatupa. Yes, Tirumalai. Notebook kaatu. ஏன் ஒண்ணுமே தெரிய மாட்டேது செல்லம். சரி ஒண்ணு பண்ண, வாட்ஸ்அப்ல அனுப்பி விடுறா. வாட்ஸ்அப்ல குரூப்ல போட்டு விடு. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, let's continue. நான் ஏன் இது பாஸ் பண்ணனா, so that people can go through the equation. Okay, அதுக்கு தான் நீங்க உட்கார்ந்து கை நீங்க காலை ஸ்ட்ரெச் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. Okay, so that you can go, because we are going to now make a small, we are going to do a small trick. Okay, we are going to do a small trick. Okay, சரி இப்போ நாம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், so we have this equation. நான் வந்து இத பெருசா இருக்குறத வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஷார்ட்டா எழுதிட்டேன். பீட்டா y sin square theta ன்னு எழுதிட்டேன். Okay, very good. Now we know that y is made up of two functions. Okay, we'll say this as capital theta, and we'll say this as capital psi. Okay, please note how I have written. This is capital theta, and this is capital psi. Oh, sorry, capital phi. I keep confusing between phi and psi. Okay, this is capital phi. Okay, this is capital phi. So it's a capital theta. Just ஒரு symbol தான், வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. நீங்க a b கூட எழுதலாம், a theta b theta கூட எழுதலாம். But generally this is what is practiced, so I'm just following it. Okay, சரி இப்போ நாம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், so we can write y, so we can write y இந்த y இடத்துல வந்து நாம என்ன பண்ண போறோம் இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல we are going to replace it with capital theta and capital psi. Okay, இங்க இருக்கிற எல்லா இடத்துலயும் நான் strictly speaking one has to write like this, but this is conveyed. Okay, so நான் இங்க எழுதுனதுனால நான் just ஷார்ட்டா மட்டும் theta psi ன்னு எழுத போறேன். எங்க எந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல 11th ஈக்குவேஷன்ல எந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல 11th ஈக்குவேஷன்ல. ஓகே சரி. Okay Thirumalai, okay I'm happy, mighty impressed, no problem, you send it, okay, no problem, you listen to the class, okay Thirumalai, no problem. Okay, next. So இது நம்ம பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு என்ன வருது அப்படினா, okay, so இது actually next pageல போனா கொஞ்சம் உங்களுக்கு புரியறதுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். So நான் இந்த பேஜ்ல I'll just try to stick. Okay, so I'm going to நான் ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணல, இந்த y ல இடத்துல நான் வந்து தீட்டாவும் சைன் போடுறேன். Okay, so what will happen? So I'm just writing sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta dou capital theta capital psi by dou theta okay, plus dou square capital theta capital psi by dou psi square plus beta capital theta capital psi sin square theta equal to 0. ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணல, nothing. அந்த இடத்துல y இடத்துல I just put it here. Okay, so shall I proceed? We'll go to the next step. Okay, we'll go to the next step. Okay, I'll have it here, and we have to come back to this again and again. So I'll have it here. So I'll have it here. Okay. Okay. So what we have is, okay, so what we have now is, இப்போ இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் நீங்க பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா, see this is only depending on theta. Okay, that means this is only depending on this. Okay, that means in this equation this is only dependent on this. Okay, this can be considered constant. அதே மாதிரி இதுல வந்து it only depends on this. So this can be considered constant. அப்ப நாம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? We can take this out. Okay, so we can take this out. அது நீங்க பண்ணீங்க அப்படினா you will get the equation which is like this. Okay, so you will get capital psi out from here, capital psi out into sin theta dou by dou theta. Now because this is only now a function of theta, so we can replace the partial differentiation with complete differential. So we can write this as dou, so just to save page, so capital theta sin theta d by d theta into sin theta d by d theta capital theta. Okay, plus அதே மாதிரி இங்க வந்து இது வந்து நம்ம வந்து கான்ஸ்டன்ட் எடுத்துக்கலாம் because it doesn't depend on phi. Okay, so we'll take this as theta dou square psi by dou, sorry, psi illa phi. Okay, phi square plus the same thing, whatever is there we can write. Okay, whatever is there. Okay, so it will be beta capital theta capital psi sin square theta, okay, equal to 0. Gautam, camera off on data போகும். Okay, சரி. ஓ சாரி, இது இங்கே கேபிட்டல் இங்கே சாரி இங்கே வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த d சிம்பிள். ஓகே, சாரி, இங்க வந்து d சிம்பிள். ஓகே, நாட் பார்ஷியல் டெரிவேட்டிவ். இங்கேயும் d சிம்பிள். ஓகே, நாட் பார்ஷியல் டெரிவேட்டிவ். இங்க எழுதணும்ல அதே மாதிரி இங்க d சிம்பிள். This is This is theta. Okay, small theta. This is big theta. Okay. You can look at some books. Okay, so that you know exactly how to write the symbols. Okay, very good. Ipo what I'm going to do, if you look at this, if I divide the whole thing, okay, or I can say, okay, let this be, okay, let's say this is equation 12 and let this be equation 13. Okay, let this be equation 13. Let me see whether my arrangement of camera is correct. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to remove this paper, remove this bunch of sheets. Okay. Oh, okay. So now, if you look at this, if you divide the whole thing, okay, equation, divide equation 13 by capital theta and psi. Other, you can even say multiply this by 1 by capital theta and psi. Both are same. Okay, however way you say, it's the same. So what will happen? Here on the theta and divide pandring. Okay, so theta cancel. Sorry, psi will get cancelled. So we'll have only theta here. So we'll have 1 by. So this will give you 1 by capital theta, 1 by capital theta, sin theta, d by d theta, sin theta, d by capital d theta by d theta, plus 1 by capital psi, d square psi, capital psi by d psi square, plus divide pandala, so this whole term will go. So we'll have b sin square theta equal to 0, which will be your 14. Which will be your 14. Now, if you look at this equation, so we have two terms. Okay, we have two terms. Okay, so we have two terms here. Another, this and this, which completely depends only on theta, and this, oh, it doesn't matter whether which pen I write, is it? Okay, and this, okay, which depends completely on psi. Actually, I have green red, okay, so I've written this in green and this in red. Okay, okay, so this is like this. So how you can write? So you can say that 1 by 5. I will just rewrite, just simple rewriting of equation 14, sin theta d by d theta into sin theta d capital theta by d theta plus beta sin square theta, okay, equal to minus 1 by capital psi d square by, this is the thing. Now this equation can be only satisfied if both RHS, if both LHS, this can be satisfied if both LHS and RHS equal to a constant, and we'll call this as m square here. We'll call, okay, we'll call this as m square here. So we'll say, this equation can be satisfied if both are equal to constant, which we call it as m square. So minus 1 by dou square, sorry, 1 by psi, capital psi, d square by capital psi by d psi square equal to minus m, equal to m square, or we can write this as d square capital psi by d psi phi d phi equal to minus m square capital phi. Okay, so clear, shall we go? Okay, so இது வந்து ஒரு equation. அப்போ வந்து theta ல எப்படி ஒரு equation பாத்தீங்கன்னா it will be 1 by capital theta sin theta d by d theta sin theta d capital D theta by d theta, so plus beta sin square theta equal to m square. இது வந்து இன்னொரு equation. This is dependent only on theta. This is dependent only on psi. Okay. This is dependent only on theta. This is dependent only on psi. This is dependent only on psi. This is dependent only on theta. Okay. So now first வந்து இந்த equation solve பண்ணுவோம். Let's call this as equation 16a. Let's call this as equation 16b. Okay. So first we'll solve equation 16a. Okay. Solving equation 16a. So we know that the solution for this is equal to a exponential minus I m phi. We know the solution for this equation. So the solution is this capital phi equal to a exponential I m psi. Okay, and this so it's a periodic function. Now psi is a periodic function. Okay, psi, we know that psi is a periodic function. நாம வந்து அந்த zenith angle நீங்க எழுதும்போது நீங்க பார்த்திருப்பீங்க capital psi is a periodic function. Okay, let me just give that to you. Okay, see the book பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். See, capital psi is this, and I am saying capital psi can vary from, I don't know whether you are able to see. Okay, so you can see that capital psi is from 0 to 2 pi. Capital, psi varies from 0 to 2 pi, whereas theta varies from 0 to pi. Okay, and r is varying from 0 to infinity. Please let me repeat. Range of phi is from 0 to 2 pi. Range of theta is 0 to pi. Range of pi is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so now so what we are going to do now is we are going to see what happens. So we know that this function repeats itself. We know that this function repeats itself. That is when we put capital phi as psi plus 2 phi, we know that this will repeat itself. Okay, because it's periodic. So as per the boundary condition, it should be like this. So this is from boundary condition. Okay, this is boundary condition. Why? Because psi can vary from 0 to 2 pi. Because it's a boundary condition. 0 to 2 pi and 2 pi is equal to 0. So that means hence we have a exponential Im plus 2 pi equal to a exponential Im phi, or we can say exponential Im 2 pi equal to 1. Okay, and since exponential, okay, இது வந்து நம்ம sin cosine functionல எழுதலாம். Okay, sin இதுல எழுதலாம். So this is equal to exponential 2 pi Im equal to cos of 2 pi m plus I of I sin of 2 pi m. Okay, this gives that, this tells you that when constant, the constant m can have values, can have value as 0 or a positive integer or a negative integer. Okay, only then this condition is satisfied. In the condition, let's say this is equation 17. So only equation 17 can only be satisfied if this is true. That means we can simplify and write m can be 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 and so on. Okay. Let's see. Okay, shall we proceed? Still we have to do a small trick. Okay, not small trick. We have not yet found the value of a. Okay, so value of a has not been found. Now that can be found with the help of normalization. So how to do this? So we'll say, so normalizing. Just a minute, I'll come. Okay, so normalizing this function. Okay, so normalizing function, this will vary from 0 to 2 pi, and you have psi, capital psi m. Okay, capital psi m should be equal to 1. This is the normalization condition. Okay, so this will leave you with the solution a square 2 pi equal to 1, or we say a equal to 1 by 2 pi. 1 by 2 pi. So the normalized wave function can be written as 1 by root 2 pi exponential I m psi, where m can be 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and so on. Okay, now if we solve, okay, so this is about capital, this is about capital phi. This is about capital phi. Now, how do we find the value? How do we solve theta? Okay, it's a little complicated, so we are not going to do that. So it's actually a little complicated, and okay. So we'll just stop here and we'll just say the solution the solution to equation involving theta can be determined by power series method. Okay, power series method இருக்கு. இன்னொன்று வந்து ladder approach னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, ladder approach. ரெண்டுமே இருக்கு. But for your sake, we'll not worry about it. Okay. So this leads to the condition. This leads to the condition that J can have. Okay, so that's so. Okay. So just a second. Okay, so I'll have to make a rational for you so that you can understand this. Okay, so power series method, and it turns out that actually for MSc I used to solve this, but for your sake it's not needed, and it turns out that beta equal to J into J plus 1, where J can have value 0, 1, 2 and so on. So substituting this, so we have said what is beta. So somewhere down the line we have said what beta is, right? Okay, somewhere down the line we have said what beta is. So beta equal to 2IE by h cross square. Beta equal to 2IE by h cross square. So now just substitute panna porom. So this will be 2IE by h cross square equal to J into J plus 1. So this will give you E equal to h cross square by 2I h cross, just a simple rearrangement, into J into J plus 1. So even simplified, we can write this as E equal to B into J into J plus 1, where B is called as the B, which is equal to h cross square by 2I, is called as the rotational constant. Is called as the rotational constant. Is called as the rotational constant of the molecule. Okay, but what is the important thing is that once again by solving all this, okay, so once again by solving all this, what we find is, what we have found is that we again obtain, okay, so we obtain a set of discrete energy levels. We obtain a set of discrete energy levels. That means this is also constant. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, and the values. So that means again we see that rotational energy is also, so rotational levels kandipa irukum. That's what it says. So it is rotational motion is also quantized. So rotational levels irukanaala we say that it is quantized. Okay. இதோட இன்டர்பிரேஷன் உங்களுக்கு எப்படி சொல்றதுன்னு கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம் தான், பட் we'll try. Okay, so it's little trick. Okay, we'll take a minute break. So I know it's too much of math, and not math actually, it's too much of substitution and simple rearrangement. So we'll take a 1 minute break. So we'll rejoin. Okay, so just go for a break. Just go relax your eyes. And don't simply check WhatsApp. Just go out, just go walk, take a walk, and then come back. So it's 12:14. So we'll meet at 12:16. Okay, I'm putting myself on mute. Don't log out. Don't log out. Is it clear? 12:16 we'll meet. Okay, bye. Thirumal I saw. Okay, Thirumal I saw. Okay. Okay, so we'll start. Okay, it's 12:16, maybe 12:17. Wait, let's wait. Okay, so what you see on your screen, okay, what you see on the screen, or to be more precise, what you see on the left side of the screen is how rotational spectroscopy looks like. I'm not able to zoom it more. Okay. So what you see here is how rotational spectroscopy looks. Okay. So okay. So this is how the picture looks like. So there is a relationship between M and J. There is a relationship between M and J. Okay. So there is a relationship between M and J, and that theory, that much of theory, I don't think is required for you. Especially since you are in BSc, but if you are interested, you can look at KL Kapoor. KL Kapoor volume, I think it's volume 5. I have that book. So I have that book in front of me. So KL Kapoor volume 5. Just a second. A Chrome tab. Okay, so you can look at KL Kapoor. Okay, so KL Kapoor, quantum chemistry and molecular spectroscopy. So they have discussed all this. Okay, it's a combination of 2, 3 and my own intuition. Okay, so what this tells you is that thus the two quantum conditions are J, if J equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, M should have value 0, 1 and so on. Okay, so what the condition for this is, thus the two quantum numbers, thus the two quantum numbers, the this is the part. Okay, the two quantum numbers are, okay, J equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and M should be equal to 0, 1 and plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 and so on. Okay, so these are the two quantum. Hence we can say hence M can have 2j plus 1 values for a given value of j. For a given value of j. Okay, so if, say for example, if j equal to 2, that means 2 into 2 plus 1, that will lead to 5. So m should have 5 values. So m oda values enna irukum? -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. Okay, இதுதான் இந்த ரொட்டேஷனல் இதுதான் வந்து நாம வந்து பிக்சரா இப்ப காட்டினேன். Okay, so we'll just go to that. I'll just stop this presentation and let me present this book. Okay, so this is how இந்த மாதிரி தான். ஸோ இதுல என்ன முக்கியம் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, what is so important in this அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, you are able to see the mouse going, right? I mean, you are able to see the mouse. எனக்கு தெரியல மவுஸ் பாக்குறீங்களா இல்லையான்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. I cannot put this in presentation mode also. I don't think there is a presentation view. Add highlight.
Sir, mouse
terda?
Yes, sir.
Ayyo. Sorry, no. Close without saying. Ore mshara. Actually, there is a way to make this mouse as a highlighter. So I tried, but enna adu correct panda podunu or bayam vera onnu illa. அதுதான் ஒரு பெரிய பிரச்சனை, வேற ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. Okay, so let me just hold a second. I'll just come. I'll open it with some other software that gives me the option to show you. It's page 95. So it's page 95. I'll go to page 95. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, so okay, just a second. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share that window external. Yeah, very good. Okay, so if you look at this, see what do you mean? So now j, if j equal to 2, so this is for when your value of j, this is when your value of j, okay, j equal to 2, and your m varies from -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. Okay, so இதுதான் இங்க. so +2, so என்ன இதுல சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, your rotation will have only these. so ஏன் quantize சொல்றாங்க பாருங்க, levels இருக்கு பாருங்க. okay, இங்க ஒரு levels இருக்கு இல்லையா? so you see this is one level, this is one level. so one level now it can rotate along this. It's actually rotation. Okay, it's rotation, so it can rotate like this. Second level, okay, it can have two values. Okay, it can have two values. One is it's like a cone. Okay, இத நீங்க பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா, in many books they would have shown it like a cone. Okay, இன்னொன்னு 2 +2 வந்து they have shown it like a cone like this. Okay, if you look at this, that's how it looks. Okay, it's a cone. And the same thing you can also have in the, and here, and the same way you can have it in the opposite direction also. I mean, sorry, na thappa understand, but okay. You can also have it in the opposite direction. Okay. Now, how in the shape எப்படி வருது சார்? ஓகே, இதெல்லாம் நல்ல கேள்வி. பட் இப்போதைக்கு நாம அதெல்லாம் பார்க்க போறது இல்லை. ஓகே, இதே இன்னும் 3 கிளாஸ் வரை கூட நான் நடத்தலாம். ஓகே, so we are not going to look at this, but remember this figure. Okay, so just if examல வந்துச்சுன்னா, okay, examல வந்துச்சுன்னா உங்களுக்கு இந்த டெரிவேஷன் தான் வரும் மோஸ்ட்லி. அதோட சேர்த்து உங்களுக்கு இல்ல, உங்களுக்கு say just in case interpret interpret the rotational vibration, rotational quantum numbers அப்படின்னு சொல்லி figures ஏதாவது கேட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா you just write the two quantum numbers that are obtained at J and M. Hence for M, இப்போ நான் எழுதுனல அதுவும் எழுதிட்டு இந்த figure if you just explain it is more than enough. Okay, so இதுல என்ன what do they mean by quantization is your rotating molecule can either have this value or this value, nothing in between. Okay, that's what this says. Okay, that's what this is saying. Okay, so either a derivation, I mean not derivation, either interpretation, it will take another 2 classes which I don't want to do now. Okay. Even Kale Kapoor discusses this. Kale Kapoor is actually a pretty good book for MSc. You can have a look at that. So that's all we are going to do about quantization. I mean rigid rotor. Next class we look at hydrogen thing, and there is no derivation. Okay, we only have the equation and how we set it up. Adu mattum nama paathuட்டு we are going to close this unit. So with this unit will be closed. So from next class quantum is over. Okay, then we'll jump to group theory. Okay, so I'll stop here. If you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask me, otherwise we can call it a day. Okay, otherwise we can call it a day. But before going just type your attendance. Satish 1 second. Satish 1 second. Satish 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And you can leave. Okay, once you have typed you can leave, not a problem. Once you have typed you can leave.
Sir,
sollu Madhu. Yeah, if you have doubt you can ask. Yeah, sollu Madhu.
இல்ல சார், நீங்க ரைட் பண்ணத லாஸ்ட் பேஜ் கொஞ்சம் காமிங் சார். எழுதுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்க அதுக்குள்ள மாத்திட்டீங்க.
எதுமா அந்த ரைட் பண்ணதா? ஓகே நான்
லாஸ்ட்.
ஓகே இதானே? Value of J. Okay, value of J.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Okay, any doubts you can ask me. I'll be here for 2-3 minutes. If you have any doubts you can ask me. கொஞ்சம் சத்தம் வரும், ஏன்னா நான் இப்பதான் ஃபேன் ஆன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். சத்தம் வரக்கூடாதுன்னு எனக்கு பயங்கரமா ஸ்வெட் ஆகுது. ஓகே, so there will be some noise. Noise வரும், so don't mind. If you have any doubt you can ask, otherwise you are free to leave. Provided you have typed, because that's going to be the attendance. அப்புறம் சார் நான் வந்தேன் சார், டைப் பண்ணல சார், அப்பதான் சார் நான் கிளம்பினேன் சொல்ல, அந்த நேரம் தான் சார், அந்த வினா தான் சார் நான் கிளம்பினேன் அப்படிலாம் சொன்னா வேலைக்கு ஆகுது.